Hey friends, Britt Hall here, and in this video I am going to be guiding you through a quick 5-minute or so floor stretch. So we are going to be sure and be working within our abilities, listen to your body, and let it guide you along. So we are going to start on our backs, a nice full long stretch. So let's roll it out, nice and long, arms tall, shoulders back on the ground, and legs out. We're going to go ahead and take our arms a little wider into a nice Y. Palms facing each other. And then out into a T. Nice. Taking some nice deep breaths, a little oxygen out to all of the muscles. Let's guide those elbows in just a little bit into a W. Let those hands come up just a little bit towards the shoulders. Nice. Again, everything that feels good, just listen to your body. Nice, let's take it back out into that T, back up into the Y, and all the way into that I. Beautiful. So we are going to go ahead and bring one knee in to the chest and grab underneath that thigh. Belly button into that spine. Nice support on the ground for that back. If you're feeling like you want to go a little bit further into that stretch, you can grab at the shin. Just let's stay away from the knee joint, always protecting all those joints, taking care of our ability to move. So grateful for that. So we're going to go ahead, extend that leg back out and bring our other leg in, grabbing behind the thigh, or again, if you have that extra flexibility, you can grab on the shin. Nice, just sinking into that nice little stretch. And then let's try both legs up. Nice, grabbing behind the thigh, or again, on those shins. Just taking a nice deep breath in. I have one more stretch for us here. On the back, it's going to be a tiny movement. Let's drop those feet. Let the knees come up high. Nice. And we're just going to let those legs, those knees go side to side, little windshield wipers. Nice. You can keep the knees a little closer together. Don't go too far. Just listen to the body. Nice. You can have hands right here at your belly button here, or you can take your hands out, give yourself a little bit more stability. As you do those little windshield wipers back and forth. Nice. Now we're going to take it over onto our hands and knees into a tabletop position. So you can do that however works for you. I like to kind of roll up on my side, take it up onto my knees. So in this tabletop position, we want to be sure we have our knees right underneath those hips, hands right underneath the shoulders, and we're going to do a nice cat-cow stretch. So an arch up with the back, let the head drop down. Nice. And then a nice sway in the back. Head comes up, looking up ahead. And you can just move through the stretches of the arch and the sway, however feels good for you. We're going to go ahead and move into a bird dog. So making sure we're nice and stable, I always like to take one leg back first, make sure that feels good, and then extend that opposite arm. Beautiful, stretching out, reaching out with that foot and that hand. You can do them one at a time also. So just reaching that leg out and bringing it back down and then reaching that arm out. So any balance issues, go ahead and you can do those movements separately. Beautiful. Now while we're here, we're going to push those hips back and do a nice little shoulder reach through. So our hand reaches through and we take that shoulder down to the ground as it feels good. Nice deep breath in and out. Beautiful, feeling that nice stretch through the back. Let's switch sides. Take the hand, reach it through, and just hold there for about 5-6 seconds. Take those nice deep breaths. And we're going to finish up with a child's pose, pushing those hips back, extending those hands far out. You can walk them to each side. I like to get that nice little extra stretch through the sides. And walk it to the other side. All right, and then back to that child's pose. Feel free to go back on through these movements again, or find any that you really enjoyed and take some time with those. Thanks for joining me. So great to see you. Got another video coming up right here. And if you haven't already, be sure and hit that subscribe button to get more videos just like this. Thanks so much, and peace.